One pan, one dish, and lunch is done. The sheet pan makes for a simple prep and easy cleanup, and it's taking center stage this week in the kitchen. My next guest is taking the sheet pan party to lunch with a no-fuss tray bake that pretty much makes itself. Recipe creator Rachael Yerks is here to join me in the kitchen and add her voice to the series. Rachel, welcome.
Thank you.
So fun. I'm excited about this because I feel like a lot of moms, we kind of put lunch for us on the back burner. Most of the time I'm eating like leftover chicken nuggets and like whatever's left on my kids' plates, but you're saying this is easy enough that it will help you just make that healthy lunch a priority.
It's so simple. You can meal prep it ahead if you want. It's 6 ingredients. It takes 30 minutes, but it's all done in the oven. So it's one of those no hands-on meals. Like you toss it together, pop it in the oven, then you can do all the other things that moms do.
All the other things,
and then
yes.
You've got a delicious lunch, and it's so good. And that's really like the most important part, right?
We're not going to eat it if it's not good. Yes, let's get started. What's first?
Well, so it starts with a simple sauce. It's a honey garlic sauce, and it's just really simple ingredients that are already going to be in your kitchen, like minced garlic.
Yes.
You can mince it yourself, or you can buy the already chopped up garlic. This is not a fussy recipe, so it doesn't matter.
I'm loving the combo of the honey and garlic.
Yeah, garlic just adds a really nice richness to the rest of this, and it just brings out that sweetness in the honey, but with some more depth of flavor, so it's really nice. And then you get a little of that umami with some soy sauce. So this is just a very simple sauce, and we're gonna toss it all together.
Okay.
We're gonna add a little bit of oregano, and then I love adding ginger paste because it just, again, adds like a little extra flavor.
That little kick too.
The ginger paste can be found in the deli, the produce section of most grocery stores, and it's already like this. Or you can just chop up some ginger or use dry.
You just did a little squeeze. What else? How much do you think you just put in there?
It's about a teaspoon.
Oh, okay.
I just was guessing.
Yeah, that's great. You do this professionally. So for us novices, I had to know how much are you putting in there. So now we're gonna stir that up.
Yeah. So this is our sauce. It's really simple, but before we do the sauce, we're gonna start with our potatoes, and I'm sorry, with that up already, but just cut them up, and you're gonna get them in the oven right away, and then mix your sauce up, because potatoes take just a tiny bit longer to cook.
Right, you wanna have your potatoes cooked and your chicken cooked at the same time, so you're gonna cook these first to kind of get them pre-cooked and ready, and then add in that chicken.
Right, so we're just adding a little bit of olive oil and then some salt and pepper, just like lightly season them, toss them together. You can even toss it right on your pan so you're not dirtying any extra dishes.
Well, if we can,
right?
Let's do it.
So just kind of shake it up, and then this is gonna go right in the oven for 10 minutes. And then you'll whip up your sauce, add your chicken, and finish cooking it.
Great, so let's add that chicken.
Okay, well, we don't add it till we've cooked some.
You're like, take it easy, lady.
No.
Okay.
So we'll pop this in the oven, but I have it finished already over here to show kind of what it looks like at the end. It's so simple.
Okay, no, that's fine. So after we get our potatoes cooked, we lay our chicken, we lay it on the same sheet. So we just push the potatoes over.
We'll just kind of move them to the side.
Lay our chicken out.
We'll add our chicken, and we'll just put it right on the end.
Okay.
And we'll dump half the sauce on, cook it up, and then you can dump the rest of the sauce at the end. Or I like to pop it in like a little pan and reduce it a little bit just to make it really nice and thick. But busy moms, if you don't have time for that, just pour it on.
I love that. How long is this going to, what temperature and how long for the chicken again?
So it's 400 degrees, and the total time is 30 minutes.
Perfect. So 30-minute meal.
Really simple.
So easy. Where can we connect with you online?
You can find me at easypeasymeals.com.
Easy Peasy Meals. That's so great. Thanks so much.
Yep, thank you.